Before you pull the trigger on a Moen product, whether it's a faucet, shower head, or kitchen accessory, there are some key things you need to know. Moen is a trusted brand, but you'll want to ensure it's the right fit for your needs. Stick with me for the next few minutes because we're diving into 7 essential points to consider before buying Moen products, comparing them to some competitors along the way. First thing you should know is Moen's commitment to innovation. They've been in the business for over 80 years, and their products continue to lead the way with modern technology and sleek designs. For example, Moen's smart faucets with voice control and motion sensors give you hands-free convenience, a feature that's not as widely available in competitors like Delta or Kohler. These features aren't just about looks, they're about making your day-to-day life easier. Next thing is durability. Moen has built a reputation for creating long-lasting products, often backed by a lifetime warranty. This sets them apart from some brands that offer more limited guarantees. From their spot-resistant stainless steel finishes to their corrosion-resistant hardware, you'll find that Moen products tend to outlast the competition. I've used a Moen faucet in my own kitchen for several years, and it still looks as good as new with minimal maintenance. The third thing to note is Moen's ease of installation. This is a huge selling point if you're a DIYer. While some competitors require professional installation for their more advanced models, Moen's products typically come with simple instructions and all the necessary tools for a quick setup. This is especially helpful when compared to brands like Pfister, which sometimes have more complex installation processes. The fourth thing to mention is the range of styles and finishes. Whether you're looking for modern, traditional, or transitional designs, Moen has a wide array of options. They're also good about keeping up with current trends. For example, their matte black finish is extremely popular right now, offering a sleek and modern touch to kitchens and bathrooms. If you're into unique styles, Moen offers more variety in terms of aesthetics than some competitors who stick to more standard looks. Next up is water efficiency. If saving water is important to you, Moen's water-saving faucets are an excellent choice. Many of their models are certified by WaterSense, meaning they meet EPA standards for water efficiency without compromising on performance. Moen has taken steps to offer low-flow options, which isn't always the case with brands like American Standard, where some models fall short in this area. The sixth thing you need to know is about customer service. Moen has a solid reputation for customer support, especially when it comes to warranty claims or troubleshooting. Their website is user-friendly, and they offer plenty of resources, from instructional videos to detailed FAQs. While other brands like Delta may also have good customer service, Moen tends to offer quicker response times and a more straightforward process. Finally, let's talk price. While Moen is a bit on the higher end compared to some budget-friendly options like Glacier Bay or Price Pfister, the added features and long-term durability make it worth the investment. You're paying for top-notch quality and design, and as I've mentioned, their lifetime warranty adds even more value. If you're looking for a more economical option, Moen may feel like a splurge, but it's a great option if you want a product that lasts and provides excellent performance over time. So, if you're thinking about trying out a Moen product, especially one of their smart faucets or elegant shower heads, I'd recommend clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get the best deal possible, plus a chance to try it out for free and enjoy exclusive benefits. Don't miss out. Moen could be just what you need to upgrade your home with quality and convenience.